apps FS show you
how to get and play Fortnite on iPhone and iPad. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to get Fortnite on your iOS device. First of all, launch a browser on your iPhone or iPad and type here xbox.com/play and tap on go, and you will jump into Xbox website. Here, tap on the search icon and type here Fortnite. Search for it, and here you will get Fortnite. Just tap on that, and now tap on get ready to play. And now you have to add this cloud gaming shortcut on your iPhone or iPad home screen. To do that, tap on the share button, and here tap on add to home screen. Tap on add. Once it's added, again now open the cloud gaming. Once more, you have to search here Fortnite. So tap on the search icon. Type here Fortnite. Tap on Fortnite once more. And now tap on sign in. Now all you have to need, sign into your Xbox account. If you don't have any Microsoft Xbox account, just tap on create one to create a brand new. Once you sign into your Xbox account, now here you will get this play button. All you have to need to start play your Fortnite, just tap on play. This is how we can get Fortnite on iOS device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.